Are you making cooking videos with your mobile? Then this is the sleekest stand ever, which you can use in a very small kitchen, and it is very convenient to use and it's easy to manage. This is not any kind of brand promotion. This product I am personally using and so I can review about it. Earlier I used to shoot my cooking videos with my mobile phone without any kind of stand, and it would be difficult for me to hold in one hand and then take the pictures and snaps of the food while cooking. At a point of time, I felt the need to purchase one stand. I had purchased quite a few number of stands and it was not convenient. It would be bulky where the cooking area gets very cluttered and cooking and taking the pictures together would become difficult. It is quite difficult to manage the hygiene as well as cooking, as well as placing the stand in between and also keeping a safe distance from the cooking gas. Now let's see what's inside. One day in the market, I just saw a sleek stand like this, which is stable, durable, and you can adjust the height. This it was. It costed me around 180. It's looking so dusty. Is it old? What do you think? That's it. This is the stand. It's heavy. The base of the stand seems heavy. This is the rod which you can adjust the height. This part is for fixing the mobile. So you need to assemble this. Just watch the screen carefully so that you know how to adjust the stand and how to fix it. It's quite easy. It's not a rocket science. Everybody can do it. This is how it needs to be assembled and how easy it is. This is my second purchase of the same kind of stand that I had purchased from a market, and I had accidentally broken it while adjusting the mobile in it. For a long time I had been using it, using a sellotape just guarding it. Then I felt a need because I could not adjust the height of it, and in all my pictures it started getting monotonous with the same height and angle of the snaps. So I felt the need to purchase a new one. So this is the one which I have purchased. Model to model it can differ, but the main process is like this, and you will also get the instructions a bit in the box itself. See the direction of the knob which I am fixing right now, and then you just tighten it up and then you assemble it over here. This is the part where you will fix the mobile and it stretches like this. And now we fix it back to the rod. Fix it nicely and just see that your rod can move fluently and it rotates nicely. You can lift it up and you can lift it down. Just see. I will show you by fixing a mobile in it and see how you will operate. Just stretch a little. Do not stretch too much or it will break. Fix your mobile and be careful while handling it. Be gentle with it and you see how it is moving. Since it's a new one, it's a bit hard right now. You just need to tighten it up once you adjust the height of the stand. And just be careful while rotating it, because that's the time when it can just open off or the phone can fall off. And also remove the back cover of the phone so that it becomes easier for the stand to hold it, because that sometimes becomes slippery and the phone just slips off. It becomes very convenient. You can lift it with one hand. You can wash it after use, because sometimes with the dirty hands or with the hands with food, all the oil will splutter and some floor dust will get into it. So you can easily wash it up after use. So it's quite convenient and it is advisable. This is not any brand promotion. I am just sharing my experience with you all. As you can see on the screen, the previous one is a bit smaller. You can see the diameter, it is small. This is the previous one and this is the new one. And this one is bigger and it's heavy. Height is almost the same, a little bit difference is there. And let's see how long this will last. I hope you find the information quite valuable and it helps you out. If you find a better option, do let me know as well.